Jesus is nailed to the cross. We adore you, O Christ, and we bless you, because by your holy cross you have redeemed the world. Youth are nailed in various ways. We're getting guidance and a halfway message communicated to the youth, and they left not to think deeply or get a second opinion or guidance. Jesus is being nailed to the cross and he can't come out of it because nails are stronger than his strength. In the same way, youth are misled and are exploited like that of nailing to the cross. They wait for an opportunity to come out of this difficult situation, but the accusers are crawling on them and give less chance for the trapped youth to free themselves. Prayer. O Lord Jesus, crucified King, our eyes look upon your hands pierced with nails, yet still capable of granting true freedom. They look upon your feet nailed to the cross, yet still capable of walking and making others walk. Please help me to understand your love. Have mercy on us, O Lord. Have mercy on us.